Looking for a quick and easy egg recipe that's creamy, flavorful and packed with the rich aroma of garlic and butter? This butter garlic egg recipe is the ultimate comfort food you can make in just 15 minutes. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. In a mixing bowl, I am adding 3 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I am mixing everything very well. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. Once the butter melts, pour the egg mixture. Cook it gently on low flame. Mix softly to make creamy scrambled eggs. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Keep them soft and moist. Don't overcook. Once done, keep them aside. Now take another pan and place it over low flame. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and 3 tablespoons of butter. Let the butter melt slowly and then add 2 to 3 finely chopped garlic cloves. Saute the garlic on low heat until it turns golden. Don't burn it. Now sprinkle 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mix quickly to avoid lumps. As the garlic and corn flour cook together, they will form the base of a smooth and thick sauce. Now gently pour 3/4 cup of milk while mixing constantly. Keep mixing slowly so that the corn flour mix perfectly and the milk thickens. Once it starts bubble, add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now cook the sauce for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the sauce is ready and beautifully creamy. Take the soft scrambled eggs you made earlier and gently add them into the sauce. Mix slowly, making sure the eggs are fully coated in the garlic butter mixture. But don't break them too much. Let them cook together for 1 minute so the eggs absorb all the buttery flavor. Now sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give it one final mix and then turn off the heat. The butter garlic egg is now ready to serve. It goes beautifully with toast, roti or even steamed rice for a quick and delicious meal. So friends, if you like this creamy and buttery egg recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.